Today I'll show you how to make $20 for every 3 clicks. You can see that this website pays users every day, and users from all over the world as well. You can withdraw your money at any time using the preferred payment method. To get started, go to youtube.com. You won't need to produce or distribute any kind of video. All you have to do is visit youtube.com and look for different self-improvement videos, such as those that may show you how to become healthier, more attractive, exercise efficiently, or better your thinking. It's a frequent problem that many individuals would like to be more appealing, therefore there's nothing wrong with it. And now that you've helped those folks completely for free, you can start earning a ton of money later on autopilot. And no, you won't need to make any videos like this or sell anything. Discover a handful of these videos, whichever you like best. For instance, I'll click the video if I want to watch this one. Then, click here where it says share just below the video to copy the URL. Once you've copied the link that leads users to that video, head over to uii.io. On this website, visitors from all around the world are welcome. On this website, you can earn money for each visitor who clicks on your URL link. You can get paid every time someone clicks on your link on this page. People that click on that link are first directed to an advertisement landing page or are shown some advertisements, which is how you get paid. They can browse the website instead of seeing those ads, and it's extremely clever of uii.io to share the ad money with you. And the reason we utilize this website is that it is effective and has a high payout, according to my testing. They assert that their success rate is the highest. To use this website, just go to uii.io and select the Sign Up Free button to begin by creating an account. You can do that by creating a password, inputting your username and email address, and then your brand new account will appear like this once you've created it. You may keep an eye on your earnings, clicks, and general financial success using the dashboard. You'll be able to withdraw your funds here, on the left. You may utilize the platform I'm giving you for free to spread the word about these links to millions of people every day. So, don't worry. It's not essential to register for any social media sites if you adhere to the instructions in this video. With the ability to host several shortened links on a single page, you may now generate cash fully automatically. You must currently choose Add a new link. You can title this one anything that the subject of that YouTube video is. For instance, I could just copy and paste the title of this YouTube video here. I'll go back to uii.io now, copy the previously shortened link, and put it here instead of pasting the direct YouTube link. As you can see, this will enable site visitors to always see a link leading to details on how to look more attractive. A YouTube video will start playing when they click on it. They will be happy because seeing that film gave them something, and we will be happy that working on this website will allow us to meet our financial obligations. The fact that each click would result in cash is the finest part. As more people click on the links you add to this landing page, you will start to make more money. As a result, I'll go back to YouTube to look for additional videos, and I suggest that you do the same. To copy the URL links, merely click the share button on a few of these YouTube videos. To shorten a long link, go back to uii.io, paste the long link there, choose Shorten, and then copy the shorter URL. When your landing page is entirely covered by, all I need to do is send appropriate traffic to this page to get those clicks. And I've produced this entire article and script, both of which are entirely free, to assist with that. Now on to the last website, slideshare.net. Millions of people gathered here to read numerous articles on a wide range of topics. Additionally, there are a ton of articles about improving oneself and becoming more attractive. Additionally, this website allows you to freely disseminate your articles. You might potentially reach hundreds of millions of people with this website. You won't receive 100 million clicks, of course. However, it still gives you a reasonable idea of how many clicks and potential customers you can get from this website for nothing. By clicking the Sign Up button right here, you may visit slideshare.net and create a free account. Now I want you to write a small article based on the videos you have selected and put your shortened link in it. When you're done, just click the Upload button, select the files or documents you want to submit, and publish them on our website so visitors can start reading them. You can experiment to see which categories and niches receive the most clicks. You just saw how simple and effective this strategy was. That's it for today. Please like, share, and subscribe.